you. I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. Today we arrived to see Marina Porto in Mersin.
Let's take a look at what the marina has to offer, what there is to see here, how it benefits sailors, and why it's a great place to spend a leisurely evening by water. Temporary exhibition of the often held to the promenade. Here it's Marina series. Artist from Mersin shows its Marina Mersin as direct and fisherman seat. Local shops focuses on the sea themes, piers, shell, halyards, corals. Some of the works it's made right here in workshops in Marina. At the entry is a symbolic anchor. For the marina is a sign of stability. There it's protected water area, a perimeter security, and services for ships. Even near to the birds, where it's plenty of shade and lawns. This is a family space, playground, walking paths, and a long bench by the water. Before us is the Marina Mersin water area, the heart of the entire waterfront. Light sailors, yachts, massive motorboats belonging to the private owners, and charter boats arriving from all over Mediterranean coast of Turkey are modern here. But even if you are not a sailor, this is place it's worth to visit for the view. Rows of masts green to the back doors and clean sky. Great to the water and the gentle ringing of halyards. Thanks for your attention, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my OnlyFans page so you don't miss any new vlogs. Bye bye!